Well, if you think you'll get away with a traffic violation by just paying a simple fine, you may be in for a little surprise, because very soon running a red light or overspeeding or even driving without a valid insurance policy or a valid driving license may force you to shell out some extra bucks when you go to renew your motor insurance policy. Now that's because the insurance regulator IRDAI has floated a discussion paper which suggests linking of traffic violations to the motor insurance premium which the vehicle owner pays. Essentially, this traffic violation premium will be deducted when the vehicle owner goes to renew his own damage or third-party policy. Also, it will depend on the severity of the offence which has been committed. Now, how does the traffic violation premium get calculated, or how would you get penalized? Essentially, there are points which have been allocated to every kind of offence. So, something like drunk driving, you will be charged with about 100 points. Something like disobeying traffic signs, you will be charged with about 50 points, overloading 40 points. And importantly, when you go to renew your motor insurance policy, if you have 0 to 20 points, you will be exempted with any sort of additional traffic violation premium for 2, 3-wheelers, even 4-wheelers. But as far as the points keep on increasing, you will be charged higher on your motor insurance premium. So let's take an example. If an individual is caught drunk driving, he'll be charged with about 100 points. Now, when he goes to renew his motor insurance policy, for renewal of 2-wheeler or 3-wheeler policy, he will have to shell out 350 rupees extra over and above his motor insurance premium. For a 4-wheeler, he'll be charged 800 rupees extra, which of course would be over and above his motor insurance premium. Now, as far as the game is concerned, let's just understand some of the ground rules. As far as the charges as well as the traffic violations are concerned, the entire onus would be on the vehicle owner irrespective of who's driving the vehicle. Also, as far as the violations are concerned, those violations in your record will impact your premium, the additional premium that you'll be paying for the next 2 years. But a little positive here as well. If you've been a good driver and you don't violate any traffic regulations in the previous 2 years, you will get a chance to wipe out your entire traffic violation history as far as that particular clause is concerned. Now, importantly, on purchase of a new vehicle or a transfer of vehicle, the vehicle owner's traffic violation record would start from scratch. So, a clean slate essentially. What has been the rationale behind this move? As far as statistics are concerned, India ranks first in road accident amongst 199 countries. This was exactly why the government reached out to the insurance regulator and asked them to examine how to link traffic violations to motor insurance premium, and exactly why this discussion paper has been floated. Similar model has been prevalent in countries like the US, Canada, Australia, as well as the UK is concerned. Now, the most important part as far as the discussion paper is concerned, which is the implementation. Right now, the proposal is in the discussion stage. Going forward, once the discussion stage is over, a pilot will be run in NCR Delhi for a period of 1 year, where feedback will be taken, observations will be made, a report will be submitted to the insurance regulator in 3 months after that pilot period of 1 year, and once that report is submitted, accordingly, final regulations will be approved and rolled out for all of us in the country.